everyone, let's build strong chest, back, shoulders, and core. Starting now, follow me. Start small, now bigger circles, keep it smooth. Open your chest, breathe in, hold. Lift your chest, now push back, stretch fully. Opposite arm and leg, stay controlled. Opposite arm and leg, stay controlled. Elbows in, press strong, steady pace. Pull back, squeeze your back, slow release. Pull back, squeeze your back, slow release. Stay stable, pull in, control it. Hold strong, march slow, keep balance. Crunch to the side and feel your core. Take a quick break, stay hydrated. Press up, keep your posture straight. Press up, keep your posture straight. Lower behind, extend up, control. Lift your legs, don't rush. Raise to the side, slow and steady.
Twist right, engage your core.
Curl up, lower slowly. Twist left, stay controlled. Faster, keep your core tight, don't stop. Open your chest, deep breath. Stretch across, hold it. Twist gently, relax your body. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more. Like and share this video also.